Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee drawing. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of water, and a small pinch of salt. You will also need a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan and a candy thermometer. Don't forget to line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This makes removing your delicious toffee much easier later on. Now, let's start cooking. Combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 cup of butter in the saucepan. Stir this mixture continuously over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is key for that perfect toffee snap. Once your toffee reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat immediately. Quickly stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a lovely aroma and flavor. If you like, now is the time to fold in about 1 cup of chopped nuts, like almonds or pecans, for extra texture. Then, without delay, pour the hot, liquid toffee onto your lined baking sheet, spreading it into a thin, even layer. Work swiftly as it sets quickly. The final step is patience. Let your beautiful toffee cool completely on the baking sheet at room temperature. This usually takes at least 1 hour, or you can speed it up slightly in the refrigerator. Once it's completely firm and brittle, you can easily break it into delightful, irregular pieces using your hands or a knife. Store your finished toffee in an airtight container, and it will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.